Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you where to find tutorials in the Flipaclip application. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. Once you are done with that and you are in the home page, you should look in the bottom of your screen and press on the second option there, which is Discover. And once that is done, you can just look up there and you can see that we are right now in the For You section, and you will find the tutorial section as well. You can just press on it, and after that you will find here videos, basically video tutorials about certain things, like how to animate the Spider-Verse glitch, or how to animate using the I cannot read what it says exactly there, so you can just press on one of these videos and this will take you to YouTube, and you can just watch the tutorial about that topic. So that's pretty much it really. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.